First, turn the 5 quarter turn clips to remove the fender flare. Then pull the fender flare off. Open the swing gate and remove the 2 screws and the 3 push pins. Then unscrew the final screw and remove the door molding. Next, in the wheel well, remove the push pin holding the splash shield to the fender. Then remove the rear fascia under the taillight housing. Remove the 2 bolts holding in the fascia bracket and remove the bracket. With the bracket out of the way, loosen the blind spot monitor by removing the bolts that's holding it to the body. Leave it there, but make sure to be careful with this piece. Next, remove the 2 push pins that hold the back door molding in place and move the molding out of the way. The next step is to remove the 11 bolts that are holding the fender to the body, and finally, remove the fender.